up guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you ever so much for choosing one of my videos. It means the absolute world to me, so thank you. Today we're going to be doing this look here. It's very sparkly and like duochrome a little bit and just glowy and like I feel like a space goddess or something. So yeah, if you want to see how we recreated this look, let's get started. I'm just going to start off with the Barry and Euphoric Metallic Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Charge, this one here, and we're basically just going to pop a light layer all over the eye. Okay, so once you've gone in with that base and done a light layer, we're going to go in with this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Utopia palette, this one here, and first of all we're going to go in with this pinky purpley reddy shade Bohemian, this one here, and basically we're just going to pop that in the crease over the top of that red. It's the same kind of colour but matte. I don't know, I just think it looks really cool. And then taking fluffy brush, this is just a tart one, I'm going to go in with the shade Nirvana, this navy shade, and we're going to pop this in the corner and just deepen up the crease and blend it out. And take the same brush and this Promise shade, this lighter purple, and I'm going to run that on the edges just to like soften how it's looking and make the purple a little bit more vibrant. Grace shade, literally just do the same thing but on the right on the edges. And then I'm going to flip the brush around and I'm going to take the Bohemian shade again. I'm going to run that all along the lower lash line, blend it out, take that same Nirvana shade and run that on top. And once you're happy with how everything is looking, how everything is blended, I'm going to go in with something. This is the first time I've used this. This is the Collection Glam Crystals Glitter Balm. This one here, this is, I'm not sure which one, Sequins 1, I think that's the name of it. And I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and pop that all over the lid. Because it's a balm, you don't need any glitter glue or anything. It is sticking fine on its own. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to put some on my lower lash line and sort of just bring it down just to add a little bit of shimmer. Then we're going to go in with some gems. But before we do that, I just want to highlight the brow bone because we're then going to put gems on top. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution loose highlighter in the shade Ice Diamond, this one here, and I'm just going to pop some of this on the brow bone with my normal highlighter brush. So we're looking like that. Now the best bit, we're going to do gems, and I'm going to do my usual Love Shine Glitter Fix Gel, this one here, and we're going to go in with a tiny little brush. Any detail brush will work. This is the BH Weekend Vibes number 11 brush. I'm going to pop some glue here. I'm going to do 4 gems here, and then we're going to go 4 gems here. I'm using just any eye safe gems will do. I'm using my usual ones. So you can put the gems wherever you fancy, and the more the merrier when it comes to gems. Okay, so that is how we're looking so far. I'm going to do some underneath. I'm going to do some on the face as well. So we'll do some here. So do one there, one there. I'm going to take some slightly bigger gems on the face. I think I want to do some on the brow. I think that's it for gems. Let's go and do some highlighter, finish off the base. I probably should have done that before I did the gems. Oh well. For bronzering again with my Anyway Bronze Shimmer Bronzing Powder, this one here, and I'm going to go in with a thin brush just so I don't knock off the gems, and I'm just going to kind of contour the face. I don't want too intense like bronzy, I just want a little bit of contouring. Because it's quite like a celestial look, I thought I was going with a celestial blush, so it's going with the Beauty Crop Stargazing Blush Duo and the Orion Glow, and I'm just going to swirl my brush around and just pop it on my cheeks. Just focus on the cheeks rather than like bringing it completely out. Highlighter, I'm going to continue using the Revolution Loose Highlighter in Ice Diamond. Start on the highest points of the face, underneath the gems and around. I love this highlighter, it's so insane. It works with such like a variety of looks, like you can make it every day or you can really have it to oomph up a look like we're doing today. I'm just going to pop a tiny bit on my forehead, on the nose, small brush, this one here, and I'm going to pop some here. Oh, okay, it's actually a fairly quick video today because that's pretty much the makeup done, apart from mascara. I nearly forgot mascara. How did I forget? This is the Long Lash Lengthening Mascara by Makeup Revolution. This isn't a full face of Makeup Revolution. I've just used a lot of their products today, but that's because they work. I feel like we need a nude for lips, so we're going to do the Huda Beauty Shero Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm just going to pop that on, and then I'll leave the lips matte because the rest of the face is quite shiny. I think this is my favourite liquid lipstick. Oh, the formula is just so nice. And I'm just going to go in with some setting spray. This is my Iconic London Prep Set Glow. So I'm trying to finish this one up, so I'm going to use this today. Okay guys, this is today's finished look. If you did enjoy today's video, then please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I next upload. But for now, take care of yourselves, my little stars, and I shall see you soon. Bye!